Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So we recently brought on a new line of hairstyling products. The brand is called Suavecito. It's a pretty well-known brand. It's like a barbershop style brand. They have a very distinct scent. All the products have what's called the classic Suavecito scent. So they have we have five of their different styling products. So the first two I'll show you are the original hold pomade and the firm hold pomade. These are both water-based. They have a little bit of shine, and the firm hold is slightly stronger compared to the original hold. So these would be good for like a side part or a slick back or a pompadour, that sort of deal. And like I mentioned, water-based, so it rinses out really easily, just water, you don't need any shampoo or anything. And then they also have like a matte version of that pomade, so it's got a slightly creamier consistency to it. It's like a white cream. Also good staying power throughout the day. Also water-based, so it rinses out really nicely. This would be good for creating like a bed head or a textured messy look. So that's the matte pomade. The second last one is the light hold pomade. So this one is going to have a lighter hold, also water-based. Good for fine or thinning hair if you want just like a more natural look. Nothing too structured or strong, then this would be a good choice. And then last but not least, the firm clay. So this one is not water-based. It rinses out with most shampoos. It's got good staying power, matte finish. Would also be good for that sort of textured, messy look, or a faux hook, or however you want to do it. So yeah, if you're in the market for something new, check them out, shopmasc.com, Suavecito, and of course, if you're in Vancouver, they are available in the store as well. Thanks for listening.